Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, Alhamdulillah we can see each other again in my channel. Today I would like to share with you my favorite recipe from Turkish dessert called Gullac. Gullac is made from peppercorn starch. And this time I'm using the instant one, so it was very easy and very practical to make it at home. If you have a chance to go to Turkey, you can find this kind of goulash pepper in the market, supermarket, and everywhere easily. And when I went to Turkey, by that time it was Ramadan month, and it is the prime time, the season's time for this special dessert. How to make it is very easy. You just cut, or if you use the big tray, you can put right away this paper in the same size. If your tray is the same size as this paper, you can just put it as it is. But this time I'm using small tray, so I need to cut into smaller pieces, and I will put it one by one. You can see in my video here. You just put one by one. Actually, I make a modification of this recipe with the ingredient that I have in Thailand right now. I'm using this time one coconut meat and the coconut water. I will mix it with the milks, about 250 ml of milk, or depend on, you can estimate how much you need to use for the size of the tray. And afterward you put all the ingredients in the pot, and then you stir on the medium heat until it's boiling. I think it's not long, it's about like 10-15 minutes, and afterward you can use this mixture. It is very easy to prepare this. You put one by one this cornstarch paper, and then you put it with the hot milk until set, it will look before serving, you can decorate the topping of this goulash with any kind of nut or fruit. By the time I made this, for your info, goulash is one of Turkish dessert that was introduced by Assalamualaikum, when I went to Turkey in Ramadan month, and Aisnur made one recipe for me. But at that time, I remember that she also used rose water as a traditional flavor in Turkey. And the other occasion, I went to Erenköy area, and I saw a shop selling this kind of goulash with topping red pomegranate like this. So I inspired by this shop, I made this. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to give your thumb like and share. Hope to see you again in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.